Monday, March 26th. It is 5:54. Just drove from Melbourne to Rockledge, and just pulled into the hospital. And once again, the park interlock has not engaged. You can see I'm showing transmission temperature of 165 while in park. That temperature should actually be showing at the coolant temperature of 210. So I'm going to back out of the parking spot and pull back in and see whether it changes again. I'm not going to stop the car, because if I do and I can't get it to restart, I'm going to be stuck here for 2 hours. So back into park, and as you can see, it's now changed to 208, which is where it should be, showing that the park neutral interlock is engaged. And again, 208 is the coolant temperature or engine temperature. So now I know I can turn the Jeep off and start it up again without a problem.